Hey guys, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. Today is our last day in our video series of saving seeds from your flowers, and today we are going to do sunflowers. So these guys were like 11 feet tall. As you can see, they are huge. We are already harvesting them and cutting them down. As you can see, we've had squirrels and birds just like ravishing these as soon as the seeds were ready. So I took them down as quick as I could so that I could show you how to harvest the seeds. When you're done with the seeds, you can use them to plant next year, or you can roast them and eat them if you wanted to. So they're looking for a couple things when you're ready to cut the heads off the plants. So the first sign that the sunflowers are ready to harvest is they're going to droop down. So if you have your sunflower that's up and facing the sun, it's probably not ready. You're looking for that droop. As you can see, the stalk started to droop here. The second sign that it's ready to be pulled is the back of the sunflower is going to be like a yellowish brown color, meaning that the plant is starting to die. This one, as you can see, is probably not quite ready yet, so that one we just pulled off just to get the plant down, but this is a good color. The next thing that you're looking for here is that the petals have died. So there's two petals on your sunflowers. You've got the outside petals here, and then these are also petals as well. If you can come in and see, these are little like mini flowers. This is where the insects go and actually kind of sit and feast on your stuff here. So that is another sign that your sunflowers are ready. All these petals and these petals easily wipe off just like this. And as you can see, it then exposes the sunflowers. And the next thing you're looking for on the sunflowers, or the seeds, sorry, themselves, are the colors of a seed. So as you can see, they are sunflower and they're a little bit wiggly and easy to pull out. So if I came in here, I could easily pull out a sunflower seed, as you can see there. So if I took this other one that was over here, this green one, so as you can see, the back was still green. The petals here aren't fully dead. They're not fully dried and brown. This isn't as easy to get off. I really have to rub to get it off. And once I do expose these, they are not wiggly at all. I'm trying to move them with my finger. There's no way I'm getting those seeds out. So this head was not ready. Everything looks pretty still alive. It was just these outside petals that came off. So there you go. There's one that isn't ready, and then one that was ready. So again, you're looking for that wiggle of the seeds. They're wiggly, you can move them, they've got like the coloring on them. So yeah, so there's two ways you can do this. You can either take the head inside, dry the head completely, and then pull the seeds out, or you can just wipe all this off, harvest all the seeds, take the seeds, and dry the seeds out themselves. So it's completely up to you how you want to do it. But yeah, that is harvesting sunflowers. So thanks for following us along this week on our seed saving tour. I will link all of the videos or the playlist below. That's going to show you all of the different seeds that we've saved this week. And yeah, if you have any questions, comment below. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.